Third quarter. Good ball movement by Santa Lucia. Estrada from the left corner, wala. Gets his own rebound. Pass to the opposite corner. Demenzo, wala. Rebound, Paloma. Paloma, three-pointer for Mark Spencer Paloma. Romeo rebound. Hugos, automatic for Maverick. 8 minutes. Paloma, crossover. Romeo, bounce pass to Hugos, basket. Good play. 34-26. Doren, pass to Notada. Oh, good pass to Romeo. Basket counts. That's the foul. Lanyuan. Bonus free throw for Romeo. Basket, 3-point play. Romeo. Turnover. Estrada slicing it down for the left-handed shot. Nice play by number 30. Ula, Imbalayaton. Agawan sa bola. Intense ka pa, agawan sa bola. Intense basketball here at La Alegria Residential Stage Gym. Hugos! Wala. Oh, ito, wipe. Doren. Right place at the right time. Gets the basket. First 2 points of the game. Baseline. Gets it back. Oh! 2 points for Tipon. Paloma running three. Bang, bang, bang. Mark Spencer. Another triple added to his name. Estrada. Back to Tipon. Tipon fakes. Tipon three. Step back. 3-pointer for number 2. Paloma. Doren. Wala. Ball tap to Tipon. To Estrada. Oh, nice move. Wow. That was beauty. Notada, left-handed shot. Answers it back immediately on the other side of the floor. Quarter. Oh, nice pass to Batayola for 2. Great find. Paloma. Pass to Hugos. That's his range. Not that time. Paloma too quick. Oh.
Pushing foul against number 29.
Oh, laba. Number 19. Sarko with a finish. Running. Paloma to Romeo. Foul.
Here's number 29, Silla.
Oh, Romeo. Good defense. It's Sevilla. Oh, tahong nga move. Nice move. 1:05 remaining, third quarter. Maverick jump shot. Automatic. That's its range. 1 minute remaining. Number 2. Wala. Oh, Sarko. Pipito. Wala. Oh, goal! Basket count. Basket count. Buzzer beater for Hugos.